In Instagram Reels black screen problem. This problem is happening due to Instagram server problem for network issue. You can solve this problem by follow next step. So let's start. First of all, turn on flight mode 1 minutes. After 1 minute, turn on flight mode. Now go to setting. Tap on setting. And now tap on app management. Scroll down. Tap on Instagram apps. Scroll down. Tap on storage and tap on clear cache and clear data. Tap on OK. Now press on back button. Tap on face stop. Tap on OK. Go back and home screen. Go to Play Store. Then tap on search bar. Search Instagram. Search for Instagram. Update your Instagram apps in latest version. After completing update process, and now restart your phone. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.